This is Jeremiah with Sarkinen Plumbing. I'm doing a sewer scope for the address of 6603 East Mill Plain Boulevard. I was able to jet out the line because it clogged up again. This time the clog was somewhere around 90 feet. I cannot get the camera that far. I believe it is right at the corner in the wall between this unit and their next door neighbor. And then they have a common line that goes from there out to the sewer, to the line out behind the buildings. I believe that this is where the clog was at. But I'm viewing the condition of the lines here, and I'm seeing little bits of rock and gravel, what looked like rock and gravel kind of on the sides and on the bottom, which means the cast iron is corroded enough to where it's pretty much gone. So if this is any sign as to what the line looks like at the end where it clogged, then it is not going to last very much longer. I mean, any kind of toilet paper, wipes, paper towel, anything is going to stick on a line that looks like this. And this is after I ran the jetter in it. So, yeah, I think that's dirt that I'm sliding in the bottom. This line is in dire need of repair. Yep, and now we've got standing water. Yeah, see, you can see the canyon effect right there. That line is just gone in the bottom. This is where it does that. Yep. Now we're back into the area where the last video that I took last time I was here looked like. And now we're in the cast iron. Or sorry, ABS plastic. Okay. Thank you very much.